Hello everyone and welcome! In today's video we have something amazing to unbox, and we have, as you can see, this is going to be a 3-pack figure from Spin Master. This is the Batman Returns, Batman from the Dark Knight Trilogy, and the Batman from Batman vs Superman Spin Master's action figures. And you can see this is a really nice pack. We have the 3 figures here. So it's kind of an exclusive pack. It was kind of hard to find. But yeah, I got my hands on it. So let's take a quick look at the packaging. First of all, really nice. Pretty classic packaging. All black with some pictures of figures here. And some Batman logos in the back. You can see. And they actually look quite nice. They look like the actors, as you can see from the sheen and all that. So yeah, that's Batman Returns here, that's the Dark Knight one, and that's the Batman vs Superman one. We have the Batman 85 years logo here. The box is a bit crushed, unfortunately. It came from pretty far away, so that's that. Spin Master, you can see. And there's the logo here also. Nothing here on that side. Nothing here. On the back we can see it's basically it's 3 different Batman figures in this box. So yeah, let's get this open. Let's take our trusty knife, which is also Batman themed, as you can see. Oh, the tape is been cut off. And there we go. As you can see, they're actually individually wrapped like that. So we got the Batman Return here. We got the Dark Knight Batman here. And here we have the Batman v Superman. Yeah, really nice here. You can see pretty cool figures. You can see Batman here from the Dark Knight Returns. Actually really nicely made. I'm not going to unbox them right now, to be honest. I kinda will do a separate maybe video or something like that. I don't really want to damage the packaging and all that. There's the Dark Knight Batman here. I'm a bit saddened they didn't give them any accessories. They're just thrown like that, the figure. And there's the Batman v Superman here. Yeah, they all have the same background. Unfortunately, they just have a pre-rendered picture here on the back. So yeah, some pretty great figures. Actually, I think I'm gonna unbox them right here, right now. I'm just gonna grab my hobby knife to cut through the box. So I'm gonna make a quick jump cut. And we're back. As you can see, I managed to cut all the box pretty nicely. So let's take a quick look at the figures now. So this is going to be the Batman Returns one. So let's pop him out. Let's take the legs out first. Come on, Bat. It's gonna be one of those. There we go. Again, the face is actually really on point. No bat nipples, which is a good thing. It has a hole for the accessories, which is a bit sad. They didn't give them, I don't know, like a batarang or 2 from each of the movies, or a bat grappling hook or something. Which is a bit cheap coming from a Spin Master. So Yeah, articulations are pretty nice. Classic Spin Master articulation. No waist joint. When would I ever give them a waist joint? So yeah, so that's the Batman Return one. Again. Very nice. Now, let's do the one which is the one I really wanted from this pack, the Dark Knight one. So let's take his leg out first. So this is the Dark Knight Trilogy, but it's more like the Dark Knight, the second movie one. So we'll see. So there's the Bale Batman. And he does look like Christian Bale, as you can see. He doesn't want to focus here. Yeah, he has the same armor here as the Dark Knight here. Articulations are going to be the same. The belt is actually really well made. And he has the same hole as the other Batman. But not the same cape. The cape is a bit different here. And funny enough, Christian Bale is actually the Dark Knight one is a bit smaller than the Batman from the Batman Returns. You can see he's a little bit smaller here. That's actually funny. Come on, stand. He doesn't want to stand. We are not on a flat surface, unfortunately. But to be honest, the Dark Knight one stands on his own. So that's actually pretty nice. And now the Batman vs Superman, the Ben Affleck one, which has the most color on him. You can see. Oh, so easy to take out. And you can see, and he's actually really well made. You can see he has the same sheen as Ben Affleck. So the gauntlets are kind of a shiny brown, golden brown here. I don't know if that's how it was in the movie. And he has no spikes on the cape, just a plain cape here. Articulations are going to be the same. Again, no waist swivel here. And it seemed to me that the Batman Returns Batman is actually the tallest one. And the Dark Knight Batman is the smaller one. You can see he's quite short compared to them. So yeah. Pretty great figures. Really like them. They're really, really well made. My only complaint will be the same I have with every Spin Master. They don't have any waist swivel here. And these are very good for collectors. I wish they gave you at least some accessories, like a batarang or a grappling hook or something. Or at least one accessory from each movie. But yeah, really great figures. Really great if you want to collect them. So yeah, really nice. Really like them. So yeah, that's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.